guys, welcome to another vlog. I don't know why I always say that, but what's up guys? Welcome to another Michael adventure. Today we are gonna go to Venice Beach, meeting up with my friend Ori and picking up Ethan in Calabasas. But yeah, we're gonna go explore Venice. He lives down there. It's gonna be a fun little day trip, maybe day trip, maybe not, but yeah, go on for the adventure. So we'll see how everything goes.
Myself towards Santa Monica.
405, wow, it's so beautiful. Michael vlogs.
All right, so we're gonna show you Ori's house. This is, what is this, an Airbnb? I think it's an Airbnb. We got a little bit of Spikeball today.
Yeah, we're doing some Spikeball. What's up? My name's Hunter. I'm here to up in Spikeball.
Hi, Charles.
I'm back, baby. Spikeball, baby.
Baby, come back.
We got Megan in his house.
Yes, we are.
Ethan's back, and this is Ori.
What's up, guys? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nothing new. Anyways, we're gonna play some Spikeball, have some fun on this Venice Beach, and do some cryotherapy probably later, right?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some cryotherapy at the cryo zone. Gonna face the freeze.
Yes. Mexican food.
Here we go. Like 5 minutes to get ready. What's up? This is cryo zone. We're about to freeze our ass off. Do it. Originally, I think it was 7 years ago, my father took me to cryotherapy. He'd been doing it like 7 days in a row, and he was doing it for his knee, but he actually ended up like sleeping through the night. He's got sleep apnea really bad, or he had sleep apnea really bad. And on day 5, that went away. He was actually able to sleep through the night, and that changed my whole family dynamic. And I love that my mom was happy and they were like sleeping well. That's great. So I'm gonna go try cryotherapy, right? I show up there, and whenever I walked into the room, there were these straps that were installed into the ceiling, and there was this old guy that was doing cryotherapy, and he wasn't really using the straps, he was just crying. And I was like, I am not about to do this. This looks terrible, no. And the guy was like, no, you need to listen to my story. I couldn't walk 3 minutes ago. And he told me about how he was an ex-Olympic athlete, and he crashed and burned teaching people how to like ski jump, because the kids are like, oh, you're living your glory days, you don't have it. And so he skied and jumped and fell and crashed and burned. He was paralyzed for 6 months. Found cryo, moved to America. He was fine for 4 years, and then he had to be put back into a wheelchair. We flew to Dallas, and he was doing cryotherapy, and I was there that session to witness him be able to walk again for the second time in his life. And he was crying of tears of joy because he could feel his legs.
That's insane.
That is that's why I love cryotherapy.
Thanks to Hunter. We are going to do some cryotherapy. Cryo. I keep saying it wrong. Cryotherapy after a little beach day. Get the body moving. Get our work day through the week of lifting weights. We're gonna get a lot better.
We're gonna get in the zone, the cryo zone.
Right. And where is this? So people actually want to use this afterwards.
Santa Monica, in the middle of Santa Monica.
I'll put the link down below. I'll also put Hunter's information down below. So, yeah, let's go get cryo. Cryo. So we got this room right here, but then we got another machine.
Yes.
What is this?
So this is our newest machine. It's a CryoSense. It's originally from Spain. It can get to negative 300 degrees, but in my opinion, it comes out really slow. So it's like 0 mile per hour wind, right? It's like 1 or 2. This machine over here though, goes like 20 mile per hour. So although it doesn't get as cold, it feels a lot colder. It's rushing by your skin. It's awesome.
Great.
Yeah.
Ethan, you ready?
I'm ready.
Exactly.
Put the mittens on, Ethan.
Yeah. Want to lift this up for you?
My nuts are in my stomach. Oh, dude, I'm doing the jitterbug. Dude, I think I learned how to twerk without twerking now. My butt is twerk. Oh, my abs are twerking now.
Yeah?
Ooh. Ah! All right, Ethan, how was that?
It was a good experience. Definitely recommend it. I feel really good afterwards. I don't know, it's feel really
What are we
cool.
at, level 2? I think we're at level 2. Yeah, level 2 was actually, I didn't think it was that bad.
We went level 1, then level 2.
Put this on any sore part of your body.
All right, guys, so we are now in Manhattan Beach. Kind of a little bit of a detour the other day. We got Dylan here. We're at Naveed's house. We're watching a Laker game later. Got some football, but yeah, look at this. Wow. Super sick. Apparently Steve Nash lives around the corner, but yeah, we're gonna have a beach day and have some fun. Okay, Naveed has this whole giant stash of all these signatures and balls. There's that one. Wow, look at that one. Got a Duke one, Broncos, all these shoes. Yeah. How you doing, Dill?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing great. All right, going down to the beach. Little Manhattan house right on the beach, but yeah, we got a little beach day. We're gonna play this game. I don't know what it's called, but you throw a frisbee into a trash can. Dylan's gonna learn how to do it. We're meeting down Naveed and a couple of his friends. Naveed worked sports production with me. He worked Lakers, college basketball, college football. Sports are kind of stopped right now, so a little weird on the production side, but yeah. Want to say hello?
What's going on, fans?
Here we are, just walking down the middle of the Manhattan street. Living the life. Not really. Now we're gonna watch a Laker game later at Jerry's house, who's our director. He's the director of the Lakers. He did Kobe Bryant's funeral. He's literally been here for the last 40 years doing all the NBA games, and you guys get to meet him and the family. So, yeah, it was a little weird weekend. We had the cryotherapy yesterday. Cryotherapy was, I guess, nice. Dylan didn't get to go, but yeah, we were in Venice, didn't really get to shoot anything. Drone didn't work, just flew the drone here in Manhattan, and
If you're not in Venice, come visit me in Dana Point.
yeah, go visit it. What's the golf club?
Monarch Beach Resort. Be there.
Monarch Beach Club, right?
Monarch Beach Resort.
Yeah, but yeah, let's see what other cool things we can do today. This is a very relaxed weekend, so. All right, so we're playing this this frisbee game with the two little trash cans, and Tara Reid shows up and starts playing with us. I think we almost hit our kids with a frisbee. So if you couldn't hear me before, if I put that in, but I'm probably not, is we played what's the game called? Can something? Can throw. You throw the frisbee into the can.
To be honest, I don't even know the name because I just learned it today, and I thought Michael was the expert, but apparently he's not.
I wasn't, but Tara Reid was sitting right next to us and just, Can Gem, that's what it's called, Can Gem. And Tara Reid, who is an actress, American actress that was in American Pie, that's what people probably best know her as.
Super hot.
Yeah, she played it with us, had a blast, got to meet her, had zero clue who she was. One of our buddies, Zach, is actually in the new American Pie, Zachary Gordon, shout out to you. Congrats, buddy. You guys can catch that on Netflix, I think in October, but yeah, a little bit of a small world. So now we're gonna go rinse up, go watch the Laker game back at Dubber's house, and yeah, hopefully no one touched my car. Yep, I don't think anyone touched my car. Got some construction. Laker game time. Who's gonna win? Lakers?
Probably.
Dun, dun, dun. My little cousin Jordan here, and what's our setup today? Got two TVs. We got the Laker game going on. We got another TV there. We got J-Dub. You guys have seen him on TV, behind the scenes directing Lakers. You like your own setup?
Yep, 5 football games.
Yeah, fantasy football day, Sunday. Did your team do well?
Yeah, I think so. I think I'm gonna get a victory.
Any words of wisdom for everyone?
Go Lakers.
Go Lakers.
Go Lakers.
Well, that was a fun day. Lakers just hit a buzzer beater whenever this vlog actually comes out. Anthony Davis making the Lakers go up 2-0. Dylan almost lost his mind. He thought they were gonna lose. Yep, Jerry's and the family is a very big Laker family, so all the neighbors heard that, but we're gonna head home now. All right, guys, we kind of thought this was going to end, but it's not. We have a big night. Our best friend, Zachary Gordon, is having his premiere of what movie?
American Pie!
Something that is kind of weird because we all watched it as a group of friends growing up, but today we got a movie night and we're gonna surprise them. Not really a surprise. Kind of got the movie set up. All right, so for this premiere, we gotta stay COVID protocols. We are best friends, but you know, you gotta do the right thing. So Zach and everyone, this is a premiere that we're all COVID safe, standing a couple feet apart from each other. And yeah, we're gonna have a fun little premiere.
Hey guys, if you can't recognize me through my my face shield, it's Zach, what's up? And Michael was nice enough to throw a premiere for my new film, American Pie, Girls Rules. And I play Emmett, and I'm really excited to be here, well, obviously with new friends, old friends, and I'm excited to celebrate. So can't wait for everyone to check it out and hear your thoughts and your feedback.
Let's go.
So it's pretty much its own thing. The only real reference that I could point out is there's a character named Stephanie Stifler in here, and she, thank you. So she, they didn't decide whether she's Stifler's sister or Stifler's daughter. They never made that that decision, so it's for anyone to, you know, decide. It's its own thing. Pretty much 4 girls, and they all make a pact who they want to have sex with before prom night or on prom night. Thank you so much for coming. I want to thank Michael specifically for. So obviously, you know, we're all doing our own thing during COVID and quarantine. I'm obviously being very careful because, you know, my dad and my mom are very, very at risk. But nonetheless, I wanted to come out and share this experience with you. All right, anyway, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy the movie, and get ready to laugh, because if I may say so, it's so funny, and I'm super proud of it. So thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Love y'all.
I hope you guys enjoyed Zach's little premiere that I threw for him last night. It made his day. He's one of my best friends, so I thought it'd be great to throw something nice for him. And first time he's been out of the house in a while. But if you guys haven't done so already, I think you guys should go check out Mike for Success. It's my entertainment podcast where I sit down with entertainment people in the industry and get more insight on how they got to where they are in their whole process. And luckily, Zach and I recorded one a couple weeks ago and plan to release it when his movie came out. So it's locked and live. I'll put the YouTube content down below where you can see it on YouTube or go listen to it on Anchor. But anyways, I got some big news, something I've been working on for the last year and a half with my co-founder, but introducing MyWhistlebox. And this is a project I've been working on for a while. And what it is a secured way to send private secure documents in an easy way. It's a cloud application that will allow you to do multiple things and make everyone's life easier and secured. And if you haven't done so already, you can go check it out at MyWhistlebox.com. You can sign up for a free trial. It lasts 30 days and see all the features and what we created. And hopefully it does something to your life and you can store stuff and send stuff in a very secured way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go subscribe to the Mike for Success YouTube channel. Go subscribe on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, everything else in a bag of chips. So I'll see you guys next time.